If you know how to simplify fractions, you already have the foundation for this lesson. Today we are simplifying rational expressions step by step, starting simple and building up. Let's begin with the first example. We have 24x to the 6th over 36x cubed. Go ahead and simplify this. First, reduce the numbers. Both 24 and 36 are divisible by 12. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Now handle the variables. When dividing powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. 6 minus 3 gives 3. So the final answer is 2x cubed over 3. Let's look at another example. We have 6x squared plus 12x over 4x plus 8. To simplify this, factor the greatest common factor. From the top, the GCF is 6x. 6x squared divided by 6x is x. 12x divided by 6x is 2. So the numerator becomes 6x times x plus 2. Now factor the denominator. The GCF is 4x divided by 4 is x. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the denominator becomes 4 times x plus 2. Now we can cancel x plus 2. The final answer is 6x over 4, which simplifies to 3x over 2. Next example, we have x squared minus 9 over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Start by factoring completely. The numerator is a difference of squares. X squared minus 9 becomes x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now factor the denominator. We need two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to 7. That is 3 and 4. So we get x plus 3 times x plus 4. Now cancel the common factor x plus 3. The final answer is x minus 3 over x plus 4. Here's another one. We have 7 minus x over x minus 7. These look similar, but they do not cancel yet. Factor out a negative 1 from the top. 7 minus x becomes negative 1 times x minus 7. Now the expression is negative 1 times x minus 7 over x minus 7. Cancel x minus 7. The final answer is negative 1. Now it is your turn to practice. Try this one. 90x to the 7th y to the 6th over 60x to the 4th y cubed. Pause the video and give it a try. 90 and 60 can both be divided by 30. 90 divided by 30 equals 3. 60 divided by 30 is 2. Now we have 3x to the 7th y to the 6th over 2x to the 4th y to the 3rd. For the variables, 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the final answer is 3x cubed y cubed over 2. Next problem, we have 8x squared minus 16x over 10x minus 20. Factor the GCF. From the top, factor out 8x, you get x minus 2. From the bottom, factor out 10, you get x minus 2. Cancel x minus 2. The final answer is 8x over 10, which simplifies to 4x over 5. And that's it for this lesson. If this helped you understand simplifying rational expressions step by step, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. More examples, more practice, and more ways to make math easier are coming up. Thanks for watching.